Wait, but what in the world? Why are we trembling? My whole universe is shaking. Oh my god. That transition. 13.5 out of 10, dude. Oh, hi there. How nice of you to join me in my office. Just before we get started today, I want you to do one thing for me. Take your hand, put it right here, give yourself a couple of pats for looking so good today, man. Good job. Anyways, guys, welcome back. So a while ago, you might have seen that I made a pause art challenge. Now, I feel like you guys really liked it because it's gotten 1.2 million likes. And I made a promise to you guys that I was going to have a look through the results and showcase some of your guys' work. And of course, you know me, I put a furry and a bunny suit in here, so we should have some good results. Dude, we are starting off so strong here. I love this, man. I love the fire, and you seem to have gotten a really good combination of elements. Good stuff, man. That's a 10 out of 10 right there. And look at these guys. Oh! Alright, so you've got the bunny suit costume, and you seem to have made the most out of it. But what's going on with their hands, man? Ugh. And it seems like we have a lot of people here who actually recorded their entire process. So these would be fun to see. Got the short hair, got the bunny costume, and the mantis blades. Okay, cool. Holy Christ, dude. He is beautiful. I would give him a 10 out of 10, but you didn't add the feet. Show me the feet. Oh, look at that lighting. How do so many of you guys get such good combinations? You got the tattoo, you've got the bandages. Did you cheat? Oh, okay. I think I remember reposting this one, but this one actually turned out really, really cool. So you got the brown eyes, longish hair, suit. Oh, rockets. Oh, look at that face. Look at that shine. Zoom out, let the world see. Oh, bro, when I came up with this challenge, like never in a million years could I have imagined such creative and cool looking characters. You guys are next level, man. 10 out of 10. Bro, you are out of your mind. This is like a whole poster. Okay, and these are the prompts that you got. That is so cool. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, wow, that's cool. I love the lighting here, guys. You know me. I'm an absolute sucker for this fiery lighting from below, and it's fantastic here. What prompts did you get? What the? These prompts are so good. I feel like they worked out for you perfectly. She's like a robot tattooed samurai girl with crazy looking eyes. I love it. All right, so we got gray skin, big eyes, ponytail. This one should be interesting. Let's see what you... Oh, you got a demon too? Jesus. Ooh, okay, there's a sketch. All right. Oh, and the bird pin. Did she just move? You absolute madman. You animated it too. You guys are so cool. I should try this with some of my drawing. It's 10 out of 10, man. You guys are killing it. Oh, look at this. You got a pretty chaotic bunch of prompts, but honestly, you made the most out of it, and I love this dynamic perspective. Killing it. This drawing is made by Doodoo Whoosh. Even though you are Doodoo, your drawing certainly is not. This is fantastic. I mean, you must have gotten the blood skin prompt, and you seem to have made the absolute most out of it. She's like some kind of seductive secretary vampire. All right, let's see what we got here. We got some crazy eyes, dreads, red eyes, and an elf. Okay, that's interesting. That's a crazy combo. Whoa! Yo! You somehow got a really good randomized dark elf prompt. This is like the most menacing elf I've ever seen. Doing Sam Does Art's Pause Challenge. Okay, you got the tattoos. What's that? Yo! Gorgeous, man. I love the background too. You guys are nuts. Have my like. Whoa! Oh, and these were the prompts. That is so good, man. Dude, that is just cool. I love the bright orange punch of color that you added to her hair. I love how muscular the robotic body looks too. She's like a type of character that I would look at and I would just start coming up with all kinds of stories about her and her world. This is just sick, man. That is pretty sick. That reminds me of something you might see in Arcane. And there we go. Wouldn't be a pause art challenge without a seductive, murderous, crazy lady. This is fantastic. If I bumped into her, I'd let her take me. Hey, show me the way. Show me which dark alley you want to bring me to and end my life. Okay, I really like how this one, even though you got the bloody skin prompt, you didn't use blood for the skin. You just used like a different color gradation. So it almost looks like she's some kind of fantastical elven race, which I think is really cool. And this is also making me think maybe next time I do one of these challenges, I'm going to add in a little bit less blood because look at this. That is freaky, dude. Oh, that's cool, man. I see you got the furry. Nice abs, too. And you got the bandage outfit. Perfect. See, I knew there would be people who would appreciate it. Wait, but what in the world? Why are we trembling? Oh, wow. It's getting worse. I feel like my whole universe is shaking. Oh, my God. That transition. You know what? For the trembling and the fire transition right there, you're getting a 13.5 out of 10, dude. Draw a random character. Okay, we love randoms. Oh, wow, you got the whole process here. Okay, that's the head. Oh, wait, this is... Oh! Dude, that's sick. Brother, you got a whole background in here too with the blood stains dripping down. Ah, this, oh, so good. I love this. This is exactly how my dog looks at me after he rips up my most valuable possessions. This is extremely unhinged. Half my like. It looks like there was a lot of internal rage projected into this drawing, and I understand because, you know, you got a furry. And again, this just reinforces the idea that next time I'm going to add in less blood because everyone's getting some creepy looking characters, man. Ooh, that's nice. Now, I do remember this prompt where you had a mask and an umbrella, and I'll admit that is kind of challenging to incorporate into a small drawing of a character, but you nailed it, man. The use of the red umbrella as a backdrop for the character just looks great. It really pops her out of the background. Man, we got some artistic geniuses in my audience. Sam does pause challenge. Schoolgirl, red eyes, tattoos. Oh, Jesus. Why is he, they, them is very handsome. Come on, how could you say no to that face? Holy shit. I love the style, I love the prompts that you got, and I love that you chose white hair for the character. That's just mwah, icing on the cake. White eyes, long hair, suit. What do we got here? Oh, Christ. Now, if your goal was to make a disturbing character, you've certainly done it. My audience is kind of unhinged, huh? This is such a cool idea for a background, dude. Just straight up red. Oh, cool, man. I feel like this is the first one that I've seen who got the water skin. Maybe a lot of you guys got it, but you just didn't want to draw it. I'll keep that in mind for next time, okay? We won't do something as crazy as water for skin. Sam's pause challenge. Oh my God, the production value on this. Oh! Okay, that's like a 20 out of 10 drawing, but if you kept the white hair, it would have been a 21 out of 10. I know, I have a problem. Just look at that white hair. Boom! That's nice. Look, I don't know what it is. Something about white hair just looks so good to me on characters. Maybe I like grandmas. Well, you heard it here first, guys. Hide your grandmas. I'm coming for them. Not like that. Trigger warning, blood. Yeah, I know, dude. I'm gonna do less blood next time. This is very disturbing. Is she eating a heart? Or is it a he? Dude, that's so sick. I love the hair color. I love the robot details on him. He looks like a chill guy to hang with if he's not trying to kill you. Oh, someone got the furry. Here, have my like. I'm sorry. This is so funny to me. Look at the prompts, guys. A whole shirt and a vest. Fully covered. And you decided to just hang it up so my boy can be naked. You guys are something else, man. You're something else. Hang on one second. I'm going to give you a 15 out of 10 for the anatomy, but there's something else that I want to give you. Take it. Take it. You know what? I'm going to leave this right here. That's going to be my protective charm. You know how in horror movies there's a demon and they just hold up a cross and like, get away, get away. This is my cross and you guys are my demons. That is terrifying. Have my like. That might just be even more terrifying. You guys are insane. Have my like. What is this old man doing? Oh, he's a creep. Okay, we don't like those. Kill him. Kill him. Holy cow, that's gorgeous, man. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love how you interpreted the costume. You know, you didn't take it exactly as I drew it. You kind of made it your own, and I love that. I love seeing the creativity there. I feel like we're just getting creepier and creepier as we scroll down. This is like a descent into hell. I might be a bit late, but I finally got around to doing Sam Does Arts Potions. Dude, you're not late. You're never late. I'm late. Now that right there is a gorgeous man. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Ah, that's so cool. I love how you kind of gave it like a little twist, you know, like this character. Is he a were-fox? A were-fox? Again, this is one of those designs where you imagine what's possible with the world that this character inhabits, and it's really sick. Again, I feel like every drawing that we come across is bloody. Lesson learned, guys. Next time I'm going to add a little bit less blood. I got a little bit too blood happy there. Oh, well, that's cool. That's an alien furry. You really enjoy doing it. You enjoy doing the alien furry? God, you half my like. You guys are deranged. Look at those arms. This is precisely why I added the bandage option. Great job. All right, let's see what we got here. It's dreadlocks, knight armor, red eyes, angel wings. All right. Ooh. Oh, we love it. We love to see traditional. I feel like you've got really good armor anatomy. Do you also happen to be an enjoyer of armor? Because I can tell you kind of know what you're doing here. A furry knight. Nice. You got a whole background here. All this from a pause challenge? Dude, great job. Not the best, but it is the best, okay? Stop talking yourself down. I love it, okay? This is peak male physique. Alright, so there's a quick look through some of the characters that you guys came up with from my very first Pause Art Challenge, and I think it turned out really good. There was a surprising number of crazy cool looking characters that I feel like could actually hold up in their own universe. So great job to you guys on that, and it was a good learning experience for me. Now next time I know we're gonna add a little bit less blood, probably a little bit more furries, because barely anybody got a furry. That was the point of me making this whole thing, is so that I get back at you guys by making you guys draw furries. My plan failed. I'll get you next time. Anyways, guys, I couldn't go through all of it, obviously, because so many of you guys decided to join, and thank you from the bottom of my small, cold, dead heart for showing so much love and support for this art challenge. You know, it was my first time doing something like this, and hopefully it inspired a lot of you guys to kind of get out of that art block and draw something. It was definitely a lot of fun, and I'm gonna do another one. That's a promise. That's a threat. Anyways, guys, subscribe to my channel if you want to hang around until the next challenge drops. Check out my Patreon for monthly tutorials where you can level up your skills. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. We're gonna add at least 2 furries in the next Pause Art Challenge. I'll get you next time. Don't you worry. I'm still not mentally recovered from drawing all those furries that you guys forced me to do. Look into my eyes. There's no more spark of joy. I will get my revenge one day. Just you wait. Sam does revenge.